everybody. Pearl Tracy and Sunshine here from Uniquely Creative.
Oh, and today is day number 5 of our Advent kit for all you guys playing along at home, opening them. I hope you are enjoying what you've got so far. Let's see what's in day number 5. Do I get to open this one?
No.
You open it up. What's in there?
This one's hard.
Ooh, what is it? A little sneaky one. Oh, it's a metal die. This is a layered flower building die. It's called Stacked Flowers. That's really cute. You can shape these up or you can just have them all flat on your page. Gorgeous little metal die. As you can see, guys, the value of this kit is huge because we're only 5 days in and you've got a metal die and a full collection pack and some creative cuts. Let's come back tomorrow and see what's in day number 6. Bye, everybody.